You know that moment when you open a box or the bag and everything else just fades away. That's exactly what happened when I lifted the lid of the shoes, these Celine Cognac brown and white loafers. They have that perfect balance between quiet luxury and pure attitude. The kind of shoe that says, I don't need to try, I just am. Hi loves, this is Polina Stargazer, personal stylist from sunny Miami, and welcome back to my channel where we mix fashion, storytelling, styling tricks, and those moments that make your wardrobe feel like art. Today we're unboxing something timeless, the Celine Loafers that stole my heart the second I saw them. Stay with me till the end because I'll show you 3 ways to style them with jeans, with shorts, and with a dress. So you can see how one perfect pair can move from casual chic to elevated elegance. And if you're new here, subscribe, grab your coffee, and settle in. Let's unbox something beautiful together. There is a special moment of unboxing. This is such a beautiful, soft dust bags with the Celine logo on it. Look how beautiful they are. Gorgeous. I threw away the box because I wear them very often, so I don't need the box. I just put them on and I go. The delicate smell of Italian leather and that first glimpse of cognac brown, so rich it almost glows in sunlight. When I say cognac, I mean that deep caramel warmth with a subtle reddish undertone, the kind of brown that feels sophisticated but never dull. And then that's the contrast pure white on the vamp, stitched with precision. It's a small detail, but it changes everything. Suddenly the shoe becomes architectural, almost sculptural. The loafers are structured with that signature square toe and a slightly elevated heel that makes them elegant without being fussy. The gold hardware adds a whisper of shine. Not loud, not flashy, just that quiet sparkle that catches light when you move. And yes, the moment I touched them, I knew that they were going to be stiff. That's the reality with high quality leather like this. It needs to be broken in, molded by your steps, softened by time. But this is also what I love. Shoes tells you a story the more you wear them. This particular model and color have been discontinued, which honestly makes them even more special. They are not just shoes, they are a piece of design history you can actually walk in. Let's talk about the brand behind them, Celine. Founded in 1945 by Céline Vipiana, it started as a made-to-measure children's shoe business. Eventually, it evolved into the sophisticated French house we know today, minimal, structured, quietly bold. Celine herself built the DNA of modern Parisian style, the effortless blend of practically and poise. But fast forward to Phoebe Philo, the creative director who turned Celine into a cult. She defined that intellectual minimalism we will still reference today: clean lines, sculptural silhouettes, understated femininity. And now Hedi Slimane carries that torch, definitely more tailored, more 1970s bourgeois, sharper at the edges. He brought rock energy to quiet luxury, and these loafers are the perfect example. They are classic but have attitude. A tiny rebellion wraps in a smooth calfskin. What I love most about Celine under Slimane is how he makes simplicity powerful again. Every piece feels intentional. The proportions, the hardware, the way the brand logo is almost invisible. It's fashion that doesn't scream, it whispers. When you wear Celine, you are not chasing a trend. You are embodying timelessness. Loafers have always existed, but something magical happened around the early 2020s. After years of sneakers and chunky boots, fashion shifted toward comfort that still felt polished. The world wanted ease, but also elegance. That's when loafers came back hard, from Prada's exaggerated soles to thought-driving classics, to Celine's sleek Parisian version. Celebrities and stylists started wearing them with everything: jeans, miniskirts, tailored shorts, even sleep dresses. Kaya Gerber, Zoe Kravitz, Rosie Huntington, they all embraced that effortless, preppy meets cool vibe. And it made sense. A loafer bridges two worlds, masculine and feminine, structure and comfort, business and play. It's that rare shoe that looks just as chic on the cobblestones of Paris as it does in palm-lined streets of Miami. What's fascinating is that these Celine loafers manage to feel both old money and modern. They nod to the vintage heritage of European menswear, but cut for today women, confident, stylish, independent. And now let's be honest, these loafers are not soft out of the box. They are structured, rigid. They make you walk a little differently at first. But here's the thing, once you break them in, they become an extension of you. If you're new to stiff leather shoes, here's my stylist tip. Wear them at home for short intervals, 30 minutes here, an hour there, with socks to stretch the leather slightly. You can also use a cedar shoe tree or a gentle leather moisturizer that speed up the softening process. High-end shoes are like relationships. The best ones take a little effort in the beginning, but when they settle, they are made for life. How we can style them? Very easy. Let's start with my favorite everyday look, jeans and loafers. The ultimate Paris meet Miami combination. Picture this: light wash denim, slightly cropped to show the ankle, a crisp white cotton shirt, half tucked, maybe a delicate gold chain layered under the collar, why not? Then these loafers, that rich cognac tone grounding the look, while the white detail adds brightness near the foot. This outfit works because it's balanced, casual, but thoughtful. It's the kind of look that makes you look styled even when you just grabbed coffee in Coconut Grove. You can elevate it with a blazer or keep it soft with an oversized linen shirt. For makeup, I would go minimal, glowy skin, peach blush, glossy lips, the kind of beauty that says, I woke up like this, but maybe in a 5-star hotel. This is your all-day outfit. Brunch, errands, meetings, maybe an impromptu happy hour. Loafers and jeans are timeless because they never try too hard. They just work. And of course, the style with shorts. The combination gives me serious Riviera energy. Polished, preppy, but breezy. Tailored linen or any fabric shorts in beige or ivory, a fitted tank or silk camisole, and maybe a light blazer over the shoulders. Add gold jewelry and those Celine loafers, suddenly it's not casual, it's editorial. There is something unexpected about pairing loafers with shorts. It plays with proportion. Structured shoe, relaxed bottom, confident top. That's the kind of contrast I love as a stylist. It keeps the outfit alive. And for me, living in Miami, this look is a summer uniform. It's perfect for brunch by the water, vintage shopping in the design district, or strolling through Bal Harbour shops where the marble floors practically beg for good shoes. Loafers with the shorts say, I know style rules and I know when to break them. You can also style them with socks. It also will elevate your outfit. And look number 3 with the dress, and finally the feminine twist. Loafers with the dress. If you've been following me, you know how much I love flowy natural fabrics, that effortless boho aesthetic. Now imagine one of those soft cotton or linen dresses, maybe something cream, sand or floral, paired with these structured Celine loafers. The mix is magic. The loafers anchor the outfit, giving your flowy silhouette a sense of intention. It's what I call romantic groundedness. Soft meets strong, breeze meets city. For accessories, add a straw bag, layered necklace, maybe even a silk scarf tied to your wrist. It's an outfit that feels like summer, but in a grown-up way. If you ever struggle with making dresses feel more everyday, loafers are your answer. They bring that additional twist that says, yes, I'm romantic, but I'm also running my empire. Let's talk about value, because Celine isn't just a purchase, it's investment in design. This color and model are discontinued, which instantly makes them collectible. When styles like this disappear from boutiques, they gain new life on the resale market. Not because of hype, but because they are truly timeless. Compared to something like Gucci's Jordan or Tod's Domino, Celine loafers have sharper architecture. The lines are more deliberate, the heel placement more refined, the less comfortable driver more couture uniform. And that's what makes them special. You are not just wearing a trend, you are curating a piece of fashion history, something that whispers quiet confidence every time you step out. You can wear it for 5 years straight and it will still feel current. So that's my journey with this beautiful Celine cognac brown loafers in a mix of craftsmanship, heritage and everyday chic. From unboxing to styling, I hope this gave you a little inspiration to look at your wardrobe differently, to mix structure with softness, polish with comfort, and to never underestimate the power of a truly good pair of shoes. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite, jean shorts or dress, and how you would style them. If you enjoyed this video, you will love next one. It's all about Hermès, the story behind one of the most iconic sandals ever made. So go watch it right after this. It's the perfect continuation of our luxury journey. Thank you for spending your time with me here in Miami. I'm Polina Stargazer and I will see you in the next episode. Stay elegant, stay curious and never stop styling your story. See you!